guys, welcome back to my channel. I hope you're all having a great day. So today I'm going to be showing you my current everyday makeup routine and kind of what it's been for the past couple of months or so. It's super quick and easy, and usually what I do every day for school. I don't always wear makeup to school, but when I do, this is typically the look that I go for. Okay, so I already did all of my skincare and moisturize and everything like that. Let me know if you want to see a skincare routine. So this is my little container of all of my everyday makeup. So the first thing that I'm using is this Glossier Perfecting Skin Tint. This is basically just a very lightweight sheer tinted moisturizer. It doesn't really give any coverage at all, but it just kind of helps to even out your skin tone and make everything look a little bit nicer. It just kind of gives your skin that extra little boost. So I'm going to shake it up. I would not recommend using a beauty blender with this because it will soak up all the product and then will literally look like you put nothing on. So I prefer to use a brush. This is the Real Techniques Expert Face Brush, and I think it works really nicely with this product. I need to wash my brushes so badly. It's been way too long, and they're probably like filled with bacteria now. Okay, so I think that's blended pretty well. Now I'm going in with concealer. There's two that I've been kind of switching off between. One is the L'Oreal Infallible Pro Glow, and I have this in the shade 01 Classic Ivory. And then also this Makeup Revolution Conceal and Define Full Coverage Concealer, which I have in the shade C6. This one's definitely a lot more full coverage. I've heard that it's a dupe for Tarte Shape Tape, which I've never tried Tarte Shape Tape, so I can't, say if that's true or not, but it is a really good full coverage concealer from the drugstore. Why am I sitting like this? And then this one is a lot more lightweight and natural looking. It has more of a glowy finish, so just kind of depending on what I'm in the mood for. And sometimes I'll do like a combination of the two under my eyes. I don't know how well you can tell, but the L'Oreal one is a lot darker too, even though it's the lightest shade. So mixing the two kind of helps like even out the shade a little bit. And then I'm just taking my same Real Techniques brush and blending this out. Now I'm going in with my Cover FX loose setting powder and setting all of my concealer in place. I look like an actual ghost now. I pretty much just set the areas where I put concealer, not my whole face, because I like to leave a little bit of a natural glowy look. And now I'm going in with my Butter Bronzer, the same bronzer that I've been using for like 2 years, but it's just like the perfect shade for my skin tone, and the formula is so nice. I just put this like on my cheeks and the edges of my forehead. And I'm using this Real Techniques, or not Real Techniques, this Ego Tools brush. I'm not sure what it's called. I think it's like their blending and bronzing brush, but it's really big and it's like a duo fiber brush, and I think it just gives a really nice natural application. Okay, now for the rest of my face, I tend to switch up my blush and highlight pretty often, but one of my favorite blushes of the moment is my Glossier Cloud Paint in the color Beam. It's a really pretty like peachy coral color, and you do have to be kind of careful with this because a little goes a long way. So I just dot a little bit of it on my cheeks and then use this, why is everything falling? Use this e.l.f. little stippling brush to blend it out. And I know you're technically supposed to put cream products under powder products, but like I don't really want to put my blush on like before my powder and my bronzer, so I just do it this way and it works. I also sometimes put a little bit on my nose. And now it's time for my favorite part, which is highlighting. I've just been super into highlight recently, and my favorite of the moment has been this Fenty Beauty one. It's so pretty, and it came in a little set that I got from Sephora on Black Friday. So I'm really just going ham with this. Oh, look at that nose highlight. So good. I use my Mario Badescu spray. What is on my face? Just kind of helps all of the products like mesh together and blend into my skin better. We're actually kind of almost done. You're going to be seeing a lot of Glossier in this video. Sorry, not sorry. This is the Glossier Boy Brow, the best brow product to ever be made. It's so good. My eyebrows are just a little bit out of control right now. I really need to get them done, or at least pluck them or do something, because they're just like caterpillars on my face. It just kind of helps to fill in the sparse areas and gives them a little bit more shape, which is always good. And then I'm going in with my eyelash curler, which is absolutely disgusting. Like, I don't even know how the handle got like that. And I really need to get a new one. But I got this one in my Birchbox a while ago and it works super well. And then I'm taking my L'Oreal Voluminous / Paradise Mascara, the waterproof version, because I pretty much only wear waterproof mascara. And obviously if I have more time or I'm in the mood, I will like do my eyeshadow and stuff, but normally I don't have time for that. Last but not least, I'm taking my Glossier lip gloss. It's just clear, but it's the best clear lip gloss ever. I don't know what it is. It just looks so good. So yeah, that is my completed everyday makeup routine. I really hope you guys enjoyed this video, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye!